This is David Lobo of Deejay Coconut Breeding Farm talking to you about normal and abnormal buttons dropping from the coconut spade. What is button drop? We are talking about the coconut tree. When the spade emerges, you get the inflorescence, which contains little buttons at the base of the spade, as you see in this model, and you get the male flowers which cover the rest of the spade. Button drop happens in all coconut palms. Normally, the number of buttons which are on that spade are much more than what the palm can handle and can manage, and therefore the tree naturally drops around 2/3 of the buttons. You would get between 20 and 100 buttons per tree. I've seen 200 and 300 buttons on a single tree, but you may get not more than 50 or 60 fruit growing on that tree. So I'm referring to normal button drop. Abnormal button drop is a problem and must be looked at seriously. There are 4 causes. When the use of water, too much or too little, will be the cause. Nutrition, too much, but generally it's too little or not at the right time or once or twice in the year. Third is pest and disease, and fourth is natural shedding of extra fruit as the bunches grow. So, what is button drop? We are referring to the abnormal drop of buttons, leaving just 1 or 2 fruit on the spade, and sometimes even less than that. We have a separate video on understanding the problem better and a solution. Thank you very much.